NewAir AB-1200 126 can beverage cooler. If you don't like buying beer and soda all the time or having to refill the fridge every day, perhaps it's time to consider investing in a NewAir AB-1200. It may not be the best freestanding beverage center for small apartments and condos, but it will surely add style and convenience to a corner in your house, office, garage, B&B, game room, man cave, or vacation home with its black and stainless steel design. It can accommodate up to 126 cans, but storing oversized bottles and cartons won't be an issue either due to its large bin accompanying the 5 removable racks. Compared to its predecessor, it offers lower cooling temperatures starting from 34 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable by choosing the 7 temperature settings available. The LED lighting ensures easy access to your drink of choice in the dark. The compressor cooling technology ensures silent operation. Add to that the low energy consumption, and you have several reasons to trust NewAir AB-1200 with chilling your favorite drinks.